Thomas the Tank Engine was huffing and puffing when suddenly...
Hey, wait a minute.
This isn't the way to the
This
Whistling
isn't the way
Woods.
to Radiator
No, it ain't,
Springs.
pal. Unless
No,
the
it
mayor
ain't,
of Solar
pal.
gives me $100 million
Unless
bucks,
Frankie
we're gonna
Foster
drive
gives
this
me $100
dynamite right
million
into
bucks.
Knapford
We're
Station.
gonna drive this bomb right into Foster's home for imaginary friends.
Hey,
we got a
Frankie,
problem.
Get me
We have
Sir
a problem.
Topham Hatt.
Get me Howie
And
Mandel.
you come back
And
later.
cheese. You don't live here. Go home.
Okay, people,
Okay,
this
guys,
is what we trained
this is what
for.
we trained for.
So immature. Can we all just stay on
So
track?
immature.
Let's
Can
just
we all
get
just
this
stay
bastard.
Let's just get this fast. Move.
One eternity later.
Hello,
Hey,
Percy!
Twinner.
Hello, Thomas!
Hello there,
Wonderful
Lightning.
weather for a
Beautiful
hijacking,
weather for
isn't
a
it?
hijack.
Shut your steam hole and
Shut
get
your face
closer.
and get closer.
I love
love
being
being
really
really
useful.
You'll never take me
Howie
alive, Sir
Mandel.
Topham Hatt.
Oh,
Miss me.
oh,
Your blows are
Your
hard.
bullets are
my
harmless.
internal organs!
My internal
Oh,
organs.
just finish me, you pussies!
Just finish me.
Conductor to Skywolf, request pickup.
Hello. Are you there? Request pickup.
Copy that. I'm on my way.
Harold the helicopter! You're
Richling,
a part of this!
You're a
That's
part
right.
of this.
I'm tired of taking a
right.
back seat to a bunch of
tired of
steam
taking a
trains.
back seat
I
to
can
a bunch of
fly.
Fly.
So long,
So
Topham!
What cruel god would give a race car
face?
face?
Pump those
Rev up those
pistons, you
engines
steam-powered
like
son of a bitch!
Topham,
Howie,
help me! I'll turn myself in, I swear! Just
I
pull me
swear.
up!
End
Just
of the
pull me
line.
up.
End of the line, dickhead.
Thank you, everyone. Knapford Station is safe.
You're quite welcome, Mayor.
And
Thank you,
how did you
everyone.
dispose of the dynamite?
Foster's home is safe.
You're quite welcome, Frankie.
And how did you dispose of the bomb?
Uh-oh.
Everyone on Sodor bought a Hummer.
I've got a lot of work to do. I like chocolate milk.